So I'm gonna give you 1,000 rand if your partner is loyal. And here's the money. So this is the 1,000 rand that I'm gonna give you if your partner is loyal.
Okay. Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso, so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Wena ungangihlanyisa wena, don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Awulokungamnendaba nakho angithi sinasesenzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akekho faithful. Into ezokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mina?
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when you are stuck with my girlfriend.
Why are you cheating?
This is Lily Saunala from CMTV. I'm back again with another episode. This is calling your partner to confirm if your partner is loyal. As you know, guys, I have 1,000 rand here. This 1,000 rand is up for the grabs. So if your partner is loyal, you're gonna get this 1,000 rand. If your partner is loyal, there is someone that I'm seeing. So let's get working. Down go. I'll give you a challenge there before anything happens. See someone short and sweet. Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
I'm good. My name is Lily Saunala. I'm from CMTV. I'm doing a show where I test relationships, but I don't only test. I give you 1,000 rand if umuntu wakho loyal. So I'm gonna give you 1,000 rand if your partner is loyal. And here's the money. So this is the 1,000 rand that I'm gonna give you if your partner is loyal.
Okay.
Yes. So what you
Yeah, I get you. Get you.
Hey, you look very shy.
Yeah, I'm shy.
What you have?
Yeah, get you.
If it's all going
Ke nna Kgothatso.
Kgothatso.
Mm.
Nice to meet you, Kgothatso. How long have you been in a relationship with your partner, and are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy. Like it's been 3 years now.
Okay. And you guys have a baby?
No.
Okay, you don't.
Yeah.
When last did you see umuntu wakho?
Izolo.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, big night.
Umufel.
Hey, ke mo rata.
Okay. Right, this is good. Okay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna call umuntu wakho ne.
Okay.
I need your partner's numbers. You know, number wakhe.
Okay.
Yeah, so ngizomfonela. But don't ungamtext. Ngicela unike phone ngithape ngiyacela. Wena
Phone
angifuni ubambe ifoni because uzomtshela uthi baby bazofona manje.
bathu. Hey.
Okay. Guys, when I started my trading experience, I completely lost my deposit of 1,000 rand. But then I met Jameson, and the first day I made about 5,000 rand from the last 500 left. He's a genius trader who built an AI-based software that predicts forex market moves. That's when I realized the kind of opportunities trading offers me. And to this day, I continue using Jameson's program. I'm trading Euro USD right now. Since the software shows up, I'm selecting up with $50. Boom, first trade, $96 profit. Let's go for another one. Same strategy. Euro USD still shows up. This time, I'm in with $110. Let's see. Another win. $211 in just minutes. Absolutely accurate. Exclusively for my subscribers, I asked Jameson to share his software absolutely for free. Follow these simple 3 steps. Click the link in the description to join Jameson Telegram channel. Send a message and follow Jameson instructions to get the software. Don't waste this chance. And guys, Jameson only shared this software in his Telegram channel, nowhere else. If you don't have a Telegram yet, now is the time. So follow the link, message Jameson, and follow the instructions and get the free software while it's still available. Friends, reminding you that Jameson is sharing his forex software for free temporary, so don't waste time. If you want to start earning from trading, just go to the link in the description and pinned comment. Follow Jameson instructions and grab the software. Good luck. Okay, ngiyabonga. Put it in the pocket. Ifoni yakho.
Awungithembi ne?
Ozalana.
Angithembi nje.
No. The thing is, abanye abantu ne uzothi akhuluma nawe and then utext umuntu wakho uzothi baby via phone.
Okay.
Yabo.
Baby phendula uthi yeah.
So manje ngifuna, I want your partner to not be aware with who's gonna call her.
Okay.
Yes. Ngiyafona. Uthi igama lakho ubani?
Ngokuthathu
And then yena?
Melusi.
Okay. Ke Mzulu ne? Have you ever dated ka side la Mapedi, Makonga, Xhosa?
Yeah.
Okay. So you rather stay with Zulus?
Yeah, I'm Mapedi hayi bomma.
Wenzani?
Hayi. No.
Wenzani?
Ke right.
No.
Shapka vibe. Ke shapka vibe.
Ke vibe ya bomma.
Mhm.
Hello.
Hello?
How are you doing?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good, thanks. You're speaking to Lee from CMTV. I'm doing a show here where I test relationships. I'm with your partner. We want to ask you a few questions to test if you're loyal. If you're loyal, your partner's going to get 1,000 rand.
Okay.
Yeah. Is your partner light skin or dark skin? Okay. How long have you guys been together?
3 years.
Okay. When last did you see your partner?
2 months ago.
2 months ago. Oh, okay. It's a long distance relationship.
Yes.
Oh, do you love your partner?
Yes, a lot.
Okay. And what is your partner's name?
Lerato.
Okay. Do you guys have a baby?
No.
Okay. Mutla re tswalela Lerato.
Ubani Lerato ke Melusi?
Ko bo shebe camera, o shaba camera gane.
Melusi.
Hello?
Ubani Lerato?
Umuntu wami uLerato.
Mina ngini.
Ya umuntu wami.
Ongathi tataze. Ngathi tataze. Le voice ngathi yashaya.
Bathungu. Kanjani? Kanti singakhi ku?
Ungwani mos?
Manje Lerato bani?
Uthi umbonela 2 months ago.
Mina ngicina izolo.
Kuba nobani.
Yo. Kahle uyangijwayela yazi wena. Angihleki yazi like say uyangijwayela.
Yini mina?
Ubani Lerato? Ubani futhi omgcine 2 months ago?
Mini yakhe.
uLerato.
Mina ngubani?
Yeah.
Ungathi ye.
Tobekile.
Uthini?
Yathi uthobekile. Kanti singaki?
Uthi uthobekile. Wait. So ujwa no Lerato no thobekile. No khuthazo futhi.
Yo.
Mfethu, unabantu bangaki?
Uyiwani umuntu mos.
But you just gave me another name right now. So and lawyer umone 2 months ago. Lo fana uyizolo. And ukuphile. And umuphile.
Awu uyangijwayela.
Umuphile like raw vela.
But
My brother, lo nto yenza ayikho right.
bathungu yo.
How many do you have?
1.
Yeah, but okay. Maybe it's the language that I don't understand. Khani lo muntu usinika amanye amagama.
Amagama.
Who are you dating?
Tobekile.
Ubani uthobekile because mina ngokhuthathu. Ubani uthobekile?
Oh.
Ungathi
Okay.
Ungathi,
Usitshele ke ukhothatho wena kuwe.
Yo.
Khothatho ke inko wena. What is khothatho to you?
Umuntu wami nje.
Umuntu okay, so bangaki?
Angibabize baningi.
Baningi. Okay. Uthi baningi.
Yo, manje like mabaningi kanjalo like uplanani wena lapho? Like
baningi.
sibaningi.
Ayisho ukuthi lingaki.
Like wena uplaneni lapho because mina nawe sina 3 years and like awuzongitshela ukuthi le 3 years
uthi 3 years naye.
How bathungu? Shuthi like
So,
mawuthola
Kithembu.
mina naye bomthola. Shuthi kahle ujwayela mina wena.
Kisithembu king.
Yes.
Isithembu.
Uthini kahle?
Uthi
ekisithembu mfethu.
Ngihlisa umoya kanjani? Ngihlisa umoya kanjani ungifebela? Ngihlisa umoya kanjani? Kanjani ungifebela? Kanjani mfana? Kanjani silungisa kanjani sibaningi kanje?
Okay, my sister, what is the way forward?
Ngiyamyeka shema anyeke. Anyeke. Yo. Ngiyakeka, like ngiyakeka, anyeke nje waste 3
let's
years
come.
yonke. Ngiwaste 3 years yonke for nje nothing. Shema anyeke bhuti wami. Sorry. Mina nawe like siyayeka lento once. Uqhubeke nabo likato bakho. Angithi wena uthanda abo likato baba 3 years. Mina nginothing ke. Ngisafuna.
Ask if vayasebenzisa iplastic wena nolerato.
Ini?
Iplastic.
Niyayisebenzisa nje iplastic wena nolikato? Okay, sharp. Siyayeke mina na.
There you go. You got your answer. Bye. My sister, ufila kanjani?
Like ngihate, anyeke ngizospend 3 years yonke nomuntu engithi uyangithanda kanti akangithandi. Like angisafuni next like.
Yeah, it's really unfair.
Like right.
It's really unfair.
How? Mina ngiloyal mina, yena akekho loyal kanjani? Kanjani?
So you have never suspected anything?
No, cause like ungiqhita kahle lo muntu lo angiboni nix kahle mina. Like all right, like everything siyenza right.
Okay. Do you have access to his phone?
No, ayangibamba bambi ke. Like
So what is your way forward? Do you wanna leave him completely or you wanna take a break?
ngiyamyeka completely cause like ikufana nokuthi like ngizibuyisela ebuhlungwini musi. Like ngizothi ngiyamcolela sicolelane then after uyayirepeata lento leyo yabo into enjani like anyeke ngikhona right.
Okay my sister, ungacubeka nge-3 journey yakho. I'm so sorry.
Friends, reminding you that Jameson is sharing his Forex market software for free. So don't waste time if you want to start earning from Forex. Go to the link in the description and pinned comment. Follow Jameson instructions and grab the software. Good luck.
This is Lele Shonola from CMTV. Guys, this is bad, but there's nothing I can do. So anyway, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe for more episodes. One step at a time. Tango.